To eject, you'll grab this red and just lift up on the red and it'll all come apart.
I'll come apart. Okay.
Okay?
Well, I hope I don't have to eject. I'm supposed to get in this.
Yeah, hang on. All right, let me go undo the belt. So you kind of sit here, like this, grab this, just kind of swing your leg in, or legs, hang here, and then put your butt on.
Get your butt in, okay.
Yeah, sit there, grab that, here you go. Just like that.
All right. Okay, you want it tight, huh?
Well, you want it snug. I mean, you don't want it too loose. I think pull these a little bit. If you want to loosen, pull on the red, and it'll loosen up.
All right. Okay, we're ready.
And then to eject, you'll grab this red and just lift up on the red, and it'll all come apart.
I'll come apart. Okay.
Okay?
Well, I hope I don't have to eject.
No, you won't.
Okay.
So I'm going to take Wanda for a ride. Wanda is my wife's stepmother, so my stepmother-in-law, is that the official?
I guess that'd be me. Yep.
She's
You're wicked stepmother, huh?
No, I wouldn't say wicked, maybe not yet.
Oh, okay.
She's down visiting with us. When was the last time you saw this? I think when it was raw, before we had powder coat.
Before you had it coated. Yeah, I think probably a year ago. It's been a year ago. Yeah, at least a year. Yeah.
And were you there when we took it for a drive for the first time?
The first time I was there because I got to watch the video of that. Yes. I seen
that was a little while ago. Took my wife Stacy.
Yep.
Yeah, just down the street and back.
You had a few adjustments to make after that, like
just
a paint job and just a few. Yeah, you took Stacy for a ride, and she said, "I think I need sunglasses on because she got too much air." I don't think you even had the roof on it.
Yeah, we didn't. Yeah, because this wasn't finished.
Yeah.
So I was waiting to get your height and kind of adjustments so I can hone that in. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. You were still working at it. It was.
So what do you think?
Well, it's a beautiful color. You can see you coming, and you can hear you coming too. I want you to know I heard you coming. Yeah. So what do you think?
I wasn't going that fast, was I?
Yeah, you were going pretty fast down the road. It was.
Oh,
if noise makes fast, then you were going fast.
You'll see.
Okay.
So I posed the question, and you can be honest. Do you want to go for a cruise, or do you want to light your hair on fire and hold on?
Both.
You want to do both?
Yeah.
Okay.
And you tell me what I'm doing. If I don't know I'm going for a cruise, I'll know the difference.
You'll know the difference.
Okay. When you went to school the other day, did you go on a cruise or did you go?
That was a cruise.
Oh, that was a cruise. Oh, okay. I better hang on tight. I'm sure glad I went to the bathroom before I came.
You'll be all right.
Okay. We'll start with a cruise.
Last will and testament. I'm just kidding.
What's your? Because if I go, you go too.
That is probably true. Watch this right here. Drive naked. Okay. I programmed that in. Oh. All right, you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, here we go. This is kind of therapy sometimes.
Oh, I need all the therapy I can get.
Yes. We'll mix it up.
Okay.
this will warm up just a little. So that seemed to be more of a cruise than...
That was good. You had a few times you went a little fast, and you... What was the fastest you got us up to?
There at the beginning, I saw... That was just getting into fourth.
Just getting into fourth,
yeah.
Huh? Okay.
Not too windy, right?
No, not too windy, and you couldn't do anything about the wind anyway.
Well, that's kind of the idea.
Yeah, that's...
Yeah.
I think the first time you took this out, it didn't have a window in it. I think that's why.
Yep, it was all open.
And Stacey said, "Oh, you gotta have glasses on. Wear that.
I didn't have a windshield. Didn't have the top.
Oh, yeah, makes a big difference. Yeah.
Oh yeah, when I put the windshield in, it was like a different car.
Yeah. Yes.
And I was hoping that was going to be the case for sure. So what do you think?
A pretty fancy little dude.
A little dude?
Yeah, little dude.
That's not a doodad?
A doodad. No doodad. No, just a dude. Yep.